I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and today I want to quickly talk to you about how to properly handle your Luna G3 water tank to ensure there's no problems going forward when using your machine. Firstly, pop the tank lid up and you'll notice a blue line here. This indicates the maximum amount of water that you can fill into the tank. Do not go over this line, otherwise you risk pouring water into the machine itself. If for whatever reason you do need to move your CPAP machine, make sure you empty the water tank of water first. This is to ensure that none of the tubes inside the machine become filled with water and block the flow sensor. When you need to fill the tank with water, simply press down on the tank until you hear a click and pull the tank off of the machine. To return the tank, just push it down on the machine until you hear a click. This indicates that the tank is correctly attached to your machine. When it's time to clean your tank, just remove it from the machine as per the instructions before. Fill your sink with warm soapy water. And give your tank a wash. Once you've given it a clean, just put it on your drying rack and leave it there to dry during the day. I hope you found this little video handy. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.